Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tamarind lollipops. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need about 1 cup of fresh tamarind pods, 1 cup of sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Also, have ready 1 teaspoon of chili powder for a little kick and about 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget your lollipop sticks and some parchment paper for the final steps. Let's get started on this delicious, tangy treat. Next, let's prepare our tamarind pulp. Take about 1 cup of tamarind and soak it in 1/2 cup of warm water for approximately 15 minutes. This helps soften the fruit. Then, use your hands to mash the tamarind thoroughly, separating the pulp from the seeds and fibers. Finally, strain this mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing firmly to extract all that wonderful, tangy pulp. This is the heart of our lollipop. Now it's time to cook our lollipop base. Pour the extracted tamarind pulp into a saucepan. Add 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder for that perfect sweet and spicy balance. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent sticking. Continue cooking until the mixture thickens considerably, becoming a paste-like consistency that can hold its shape. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, let's shape and finish our delicious lollipops. Once the tamarind mixture has cooled slightly for about 10 minutes, it will be easier to handle. Take small, manageable portions and roll them into your desired shapes, like small balls or discs. Carefully insert a lollipop stick into the center of each shaped piece. Place them on parchment paper and allow them to set completely at room temperature for several hours, or chill them for faster setting. Enjoy your homemade tamarind lollipops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.